Giving border to the custom name pillow cover order. Taking margins with the help of a pen and ruler. Repeat the process for all the four sides. Take the desired color in the yarn needle. Place the frame on the traced area. It will be a little hard to work on the corners. I'm using the chain stitch for the borders also. Actually, I'm using this stitch because it gives a double line look, with single stitch side by side. As you can see, a bold double lined look. Used the same stitch for all the four sides. So here's the look of the pillow cover after doing the borders. It turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.